Sabi ni Jim Carrey, I want people, all of people, to get their dreams. Just so they could know that it's not the answer. Napakalalim at napakabigat na mga salita yun. Biruin mo, hindi pala sagot yung mga pangarap mo. After mong ipagpalit yung oras, yung energy, yung mga taong kinut off natin para makuha yung dream na yon, there's a lingering feeling na hindi natin maipaliwanag. Now, after this, what now? Now, the answer is much more vague, much more complicated than we could all imagine. Hindi yung success yung mismong sagot, pero yung process na kung paano mo kunin yung success, yun yung magiging repeating factor sa kasagutan. But what is success? Success is the progressive realization of a worthy goal or ideal.
Look at this stuff. This is history here. You're history.
This is garbage. I can say I bled for garbage.
So this is meaningless.
No, at one time it meant a lot. When you're just a young kid, this is everything to you. But then you realize your priorities change. And you just want your children to be happy and do nice things. And that makes you happy. This is nothing. This is just nothing, man.
Now, sabi niya doon, at one moment, it meant everything to me. Na pinagbuhusan niya ng energy, oras, pagod, panahon, minaster niya. But now, suddenly, after niya makuha yung goal niya, he felt empty. Now, having success for him today means taking care of his children. The priority has shift. Now, ibig sabihin ba nun, nasayang yung panahon mo na ginugol doon sa pagkuha ng mga ngayon ay sa tingin nating basura na? Well, not really. Because it will have a positive effect sa character natin. Matututo tayo na malaman or magkaroon ng feeling kung ano yung ginagawa ng mga successful na tao because at some point, nagsasucess tayo. Now, syempre, dun sa pagkuha ng success or sa process ng success, it will involve painful steps, excruciating changes na mangyayari sa katawan mo, sa pag-iisip mo, and at some point, yung experiences na yon, including yung mga not so good effects or not so good emotions na ibibigay sa'yo sa pagkuha mo ng success. So, you need someone to be able to share it to, be it your family, friends, partner, so on and so forth. Kasi by knowing your story, you will have a feedback from people that you care so much about what has to say to you. And because alam natin siguro na yung mga taong yun yung mga taong pumapalakpak pag nagkakaroon kayo ng success story. So overall, yung process ng success ang kailangan mong pagdaanan ng paulit-ulit because it will give more meaning to your life by always setting up a goal which is a worthy ideal. And katulad ng ugali natin nung mga bata tayo, we always want someone close to us na mapag-share natin yung mga adventures natin, yung mga natuklasan nating bago, yung mga pains, joys of keeping yung pag-reach mo ng success. So, don't feel bad for yourself if you feel empty after achieving success. You could always try to get a new goal para ma-work on mo siya and achieve that same feeling of success again. And I know it's hard. Every process of success is hard. But that's why andun yung mga totoong kaibigan natin to actually give comfort, understand you, and at some point, also to be able to give a different perspective para magamit mo into maybe figuring out the puzzles of your next success. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.
This is Pinoy Extreme.